Let's see how to change the color of the bar in the footer in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's go ahead and insert a bar into our footer. So to do that, double click on your footer at the bottom of the page. Now click on the Home tab and click on the border options right here on the paragraph group. And from here, click Borders and Shading. And as you can see, you can now place a border, or in this case, a bar in your footer. So let's go ahead and choose Box. Now, as you can see, it will show a preview of your border right here. And since we only want one line or a bar in our footer, let's go ahead and remove these other borders. And as you can see, we only have one line right there. And to change the color, as currently it is black, and if you want to change the color, you can simply click on color right here and click on OK. As you can see, we now have the color red instead of the default black in our footer. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.